Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and today I'm going to show you how to use Zapier with Mailchimp. So first, let's go to zapier.com and click on Create a Zap. Now let's select our trigger. So our trigger will be WooCommerce and the event will be bookings. Now you have to connect your WooCommerce account over here. So just fill in the details and click on continue. And then our action will be Mailchimp. So our event will be send a campaign. Click on continue and then connect your Mailchimp account. So now you just have to fill in the details. And authorize. Select a campaign, click on continue, and that's it. Now you're just a few clicks away from using Mailchimp with Zapier. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.